This 2010 Jayco Octane ZX Super Lite 161 rear cargo up to 11 feet 7 inches to Galley is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 20 feet 7 inches in length and features sleep 6, external shower, air conditioning, stovetop burner, microwave, refrigerator, awning, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2010 Jayco Octane ZX Super Lite 161 rear cargo up to 11 feet 7 inches to Galley is 4,564 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.